The Lord be with you. Good day, everyone. Today is Tuesday in our 5th week of Lent. And in our Gospel, coming from St. John chapter 8, verses 21 to 30, Jesus Christ was saying that he was simply doing the will of the Father and he was preaching what he heard from the Father. And when the Son of Man has been lifted up, they will realize that I am He. The Lord is telling all of us, you may not understand everything today what I've been preaching you, but the fullness of the revelation will happen when you realize that Jesus Christ is being lifted up, meaning to say, on the crucifixion of Jesus. And when you see and witness that Jesus Christ will never be defeated by the cross, rather, the cross will be the means of salvation, you will understand everything that He did and everything that He preached. There are times when we really do not understand all the crosses that we carry. There are times when we really do not understand all those trials that we have encountered in our life. But just remember, at the end of it, the cross will not be a means for us to be defeated. Rather, the crosses that we carry will help us to be enlightened and to see the right path towards our Lord Jesus Christ. Crosses are meant to show the strength of our faith and not as a means for us to be defeated. And so today, as we are awaiting on the celebration of the Paschal mystery, the passion, death, and resurrection of Jesus Christ, let us carry our own crosses. And mind you, definitely we who will persevere will be able to overcome our crosses and welcome the resurrection that is due for all of us who are faithful to Jesus. God bless you.